everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day so far today, because today I'm doing a review on the Knit Picks ball winder. It's this guy right here. I picked this up off Amazon. There'll be a link in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. You can read the reviews, see what other people thought. So I just thought I would do a quick review on today, the Knit Picks ball winder. I have to say I've used it and I really like it. It's made my scrap yarn more approachable. I don't know if any of you know what I'm talking about. When you have these deflated skeins of yarn, that's what I call this, deflated skeins. They looked all nice and pretty when they were all big and plump. But these don't look so pretty sitting on your shelf or anything like that. They're not easy to store. They get tangled. So I thought I would invest in one of these. Wasn't too much money. It was like $20, I want to say. And it can take something that looks like this and it can turn it into a nice cake that looks really nice sitting on your shelf or in a nice cabinet. It just makes them more approachable and you're more likely to use them. So I'm going to show you guys how it works real quick. It wasn't difficult at all to put together. It actually comes with directions on how to assemble. Wasn't that complicated. Very quick, easy. Tells you how to use it. It's on the box. Sorry about the light glare, guys. I'm working really hard to get a better setup so I can do better videos like this one, and it's of better quality. Doing my best. But no, it just clamps to the table. This, I used one of those anti-skid mats just because this table is kind of routered on the edge, so it doesn't clamp very well, but it's very nice and secure after using one of these skid mats, anti-skid mats. So, but it attached to the countertops. It attaches to this table just fine using one of these mats. So yeah, it's very easy to put together. I'm going to show you guys real quick what I mean by deflated skein to nice cake skein that looks really nice on a shelf and you're more likely to use your scrap yarn. All you have to do, this was like super easy to put together and very self-explanatory, but there's a metal guide wire right here. I don't know if you can see it. Like I said, my camera setup is not the best. My working space is not that big, but here is the little guide wire thing. All you do is put your yarn through there, thread it through that little guide wire, and then if you see right here, there's little slots on the top of this like ball winder. All you do is take your yarn and slide it right down in those slots. So pretty easy. And then literally all you do, set your yarn up. This is a center pull skein of yarn. I just set it up so I'm pulling from the center. I usually hold the yarn right here just to keep some tension on it. Not too much, but just a little. And there's an arrow right here telling you which way to turn the handle. Very self-explanatory, and this is all you do, guys. You turn the handle. And you can go as fast as you want. I don't recommend going too fast. You just want to go a nice pace. Make sure everything gets nicely wound. Usually toward the end of one of these center pull skeins, you will come into like a knot or your yarn will become tangled. You just have to take your time, untangle your knots. I notice the slower you go toward the end of a skein though, the less likely it is to tangle too bad. See, like, I let go of some tension. All you do is unwind it like so, and then just start back up again. If you lose your tension or anything like that, you can always unwind just a little bit and start over. See, like a knot has formed. Just gonna go ahead, untangle it, and continue. It's not that difficult. Okay, literally already done. What you want to do when you're done is you take that center strand that you put through those slots, pull it up so it's out of the way, slide it off, and there you have it, guys. It is a nicely wound cake of yarn. You can take, what I've been doing is taking this end here, I'll wrap it around the ball, and I'll actually take some Scotch tape and just tape it so it doesn't come unraveled from the bottom. But other than that, guys, look, it's a center pull ball of yarn, and it pulls so nice, and it's so neat, and it looks so nice sitting on your shelf. I mean, I probably have 50 of these already done. It took no time at all. I think I did it all in one day. I organized my yarn. Super nice. Again, this is the Knit Picks Ball Winder. There'll be a link in the description below. It's on Amazon. I think it was $20. Read the reviews. Check it out yourself. Turn all your scrap yarn into something beautiful to look at on a shelf, guys. You're more likely to use it. And it's so easy. Center pull. It's not a ball, so it doesn't roll around. It just sits nice and flat on the table wherever you're working. So I really like it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so now. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook. Those links in the description below. And that's it. So until next time, guys, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day, and happy knitting, happy crocheting, and happy day playing with your yarn. Bye.